Hello kids, it's Mr. Ag here, and I just want to explain your word study work for today, Wednesday, October 21st. So you will be using your Words Their Way workbooks. You'll be turning to page 5 and you'll be doing the sort 2. So we're looking at pictures for the short I sound and the long I sound. The oddball here is the picture that has neither an I or an I in it. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut out these pictures. You're going to turn to the next page and you see a category here for all of the short I word pictures and a category here for all of the long I pictures, like in pig for short I and kite for long I, and the pictures that don't belong go in the oddball category. So you're going to be cutting these pictures out, sorting them into the two categories, I for short I for long I, and then you're going to paste them into your workbook. After that, you get to create your own short I word, another short I word, and draw a picture for both of those, and you get to create your own long I words and create picture and draw pictures for those as well. So the images are fish, pie, lid, slide, hive, lips, 9, smile, dive, fire, hill, 5, twins, ribbon, bride, swim, and net. Good luck, have fun, and do your best.